Tired of your mouse cursor freezing and stuttering, making every click a frustrating gamble? Don't let a lagging mouse ruin your productivity or gaming. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through simple, effective steps to fix mouse lag and stuttering in Windows 10, bringing back that silky smooth cursor control. First, let's check your mouse settings. Open Windows Settings by clicking the Start button, and then the gear icon. Navigate to Devices, and then select Mouse from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Options to open the Mouse Properties window. In the Mouse Properties window, switch to the Pointer Options tab. Look for the Motion section and ensure that Enhance Pointer Precision is unchecked. This feature can sometimes cause erratic mouse behavior while you're here. You can also adjust the pointer speed to your preference. Click Apply, and then OK. Next, we'll update your mouse drivers. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices category. Right-click on your mouse device. A circumflex Euros. It might be listed as a HID compliant mouse or something similar. A circumflex Euros, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find the latest drivers for your mouse if it finds an update. Follow the on-screen prompts. If not, you can try uninstalling the driver, and then restarting your computer. Windows will usually reinstall a generic driver upon reboot. A cluttered system can also cause lag. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S. Check the Processes tab for any applications consuming excessive CPU or memory. If you find a resource-hogging program you don't need running, select it and click End Task. Finally, a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches, save any open work, and restart your computer. With these steps, you should experience a significant improvement in your mouse responsiveness. Say goodbye to lag and stuttering, and hello to a smoother, more enjoyable computing experience.